Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q2 of the bi-weekly contest 121, minimum number of operations to make array XOR equal to K. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. So basically, the idea here, the core idea is that, let's say you have n numbers, right? So, and I'm binary numbers, I'm just banging on the keyboard, right? And then some number k, right? So the idea here is that well, the individual, well, there are a couple of ideas, but the first idea, and this is a lot of these ideas just come from experience or playing with XOR. So definitely if you're a little bit slow, that's fine. You just have to or the way that I'm fast is because I've done these problems before, not this one particularly, though maybe, well, it's not exactly, but very similar problems in the past, and that's how I'm able to come up with these. So that's where practice and experience comes into play. So if you're a little bit slow, don't worry. There's nothing like, yeah, especially if it's your first time coming up with these ideas, obviously it's gonna be slower. But for me, like, I've seen it many times, so don't overrate it. I end up solving this in about a minute and a half or so. But yeah, but the first idea is that you have an array of nums, and you're trying to figure out, so you have some XOR of all these things, and XOR sum, and this isn't the real XOR sum. It's just me banging on the keyboard, so I'm gonna dot it so I could cheat, right? And then you're basically trying to get this sum equal to some target, right? And the two things is that if, let's say, you want to this 0 doesn't match this 1, then what happens, right? That means that we want to, do an operation to convert this 0 to a 1. And it turns out if you kind of do it, say, this way, then it doesn't matter which bit you change, right? You just have to change one bit because there's an XOR in any of the previous numbers, so it doesn't matter which one. So actually, you could just throw away the rest of these because it actually doesn't matter, like, which one you do, and you're not going to press. I call press, but you're not going to use the same operation on the same bit more than once, because it just changes it back to 0 and then 1 and then 0 and then 1, just goes back and forth. And of course, that's not going to be minimal if you need to do that, right? Because it's just wasting time or wasting operations. So you only do it in that way, and as a result, then now it just becomes, what's the difference between the sum and the target in the number of bits. And it turns out that the way to do that is with another XOR. So that's basically the core idea. But you don't even need to do it that way. You can just write if statements if that's easier for you. But that's basically how I did it so quickly. This is the sum, and then I just kind of XOR it with the target, and then here just counting the number of bits. You can write this in a number of ways. I was just like, I don't need to be clever, especially after 2 wrong answers on Q1. Just get it done with the number of bits, and that's basically how I did it. Yeah, this is what's the complexity here, right? This is gonna be linear time, linear space. Oh no, I guess it's not. It's constant. It's yeah, I mean, I guess it's constant, where the constant is the number of bits in an int, or the number of bits that are constrained or something like that. But yeah, linear time, constant space. That's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I mean, most of this problem is just figuring out these properties. The coding itself is, even I couldn't mess it up, and I've had a rough day coding. So yeah, that's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and you could watch me solve it live in the contest now. I didn't even, wow. Just trying to be too clever. Trying to be too smart. Just do it the dumb way, Larry. What are you doing? Disappointed myself. Okay, well, this is a free contest because this is a free floor contest. Alright, read. What is K? Yeah, I should do pitch. I'm so dumb. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this forum, the explanation, everything in between. Had a rough contest, so definitely would appreciate the support. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.